friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maher Talk Show. Meet my friend Neha.
Hello friends.
Today we will discuss about Abacus. Neha, do you know anything about Abacus?
Yes, little bit.
Here I will tell you everything. Look Neha, this is an Abacus scale.
Yes, I know these are beads. Upper beads and these are lower beads.
Yes Neha, you are right. Let's do some addition and subtraction. But before that, please do subscribe my channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Always place an abacus scale on a flat surface. Always hold the abacus scale in your left hand with little finger, ring finger and thumb like this. Always clear the abacus by holding with your left hand and holding the unit bar with right hand thumb and index finger and moving from right to left. The addition of lower beads is done with thumb only. For only one purpose we use thumb, like for addition of lower bead. Addition and subtraction of upper beads is done with index finger only. Subtraction of lower beads is done with index finger only. This white dot on the abacus scale represents unit place or ones place. The rod left to the ones place is tens place, and the next rod to the tens place is hundred place, and next thousands, next 10,000, and goes on. Now place the numbers in abacus scale. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. If we down this bead, it is called 5. Total is 9. Let's do some addition. Place the beads in abacus scale. 2 plus 1 plus 5 is 8. This is 5. This is 6. This is 1. The answer is 8. Let's do some subtraction. 8 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 1. Put 8 minus 2 and minus 5. The answer is 1 and here the bead is also 1.
Thank you Maher for sharing this information with me.
Most welcome Neha. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.
Do not forget to press the bell icon.
Till then, have a nice day. Bye.